Rhanhandar everyone, welcome to Forest School with Mr. E. I hope you're all well, I hope you're safe. Today, because in honour of St. David's Day this week, we are going to be doing some cooking on the campfire and we're going to be making a recipe for Welsh cakes. We'll need to get some ingredients ready. Don't forget to do this with your parents' permission, and also remember to wash your hands before you get started. Let's see what we need. To find the recipe and the instructions that I used, type in "Visit Wales Welsh Cakes" into Google, and then the first link you come across should be the link to the same website that I used with the ingredients and the method. For our recipe, you need 8 ounces of self-raising flour, 4 ounces of butter, 2 ounces of caster sugar, some mixed spice, some raisins or sultanas, and an egg, which I forgot to put in my picture. To make our recipe, sift the flour into a bowl, then add the margarine or butter and rub it finely together using your fingers. This should create a breadcrumb-like texture. Then we need to add the sugar, the sultanas and the mixed spice, just half a teaspoon or so, and mix these together. The raisins can sometimes clump together, so do try and separate these out so you get a nice even distribution of the raisins. Next we need to add our egg, which will bind the mixture together. Make a well and crack the egg into the centre of the well and mix together, first with a spoon but latterly with your fingers, to create a nice bound together lump of dough. Roll out your dough onto a floured board to a thickness of about 1 centimetre. Then using a cookie cutter or something similar, create your Welsh cakes. So now you've got your Welsh cakes ready, it's time to start cooking. So we are going to cook some on the hob here, and we are going to cook some on the campfire as well. And you can choose which you do at home. So I've got my Welsh cakes ready, I've got my pan, I've started to warm it up. Just a normal frying pan is fine, or a griddle if you have one. Just going to give it a spray, make sure that nothing sticks onto the pan. And then all we need to do is place our Welsh cakes into our pan over a medium heat, not too hot, and allow them to cook. Cooking time varies depending on how hot your pan is and how thin you've made your Welsh cakes. So you just need to keep checking them. They've got a nice golden brown, they're nice and springy to the touch, and that they're cooked all the way through. So these have been cooking for a few minutes now. Let's try and turn them over and see what they look like underneath. There we go, going a nice golden brown colour. So we'll let these cook for another 3 or 4 minutes. These are looking pretty well done now. Yeah, lovely on both sides. So we take our Welsh cakes out of the pan. They are still very hot. We pop them in some caster sugar. Turn them over in the caster sugar. And then pop them on a plate to cool a little bit, and then eat them while they're still nice and warm. Okay, so as you can see, the fire has been going for a while now, and we've got some embers going there which are going to be really, really good to cook on. I've got my clean pan ready to go, so I'm going to put that over the heat, start to warm it up, and my Welsh cakes are here. Now, just like when we cooked them on the hob, okay, we need to turn them over regularly to make sure that we're not burning them and to get them that nice golden brown colour. And then once we've done that, we can cover them in the sugar and enjoy our tasty campfire treat. Our Welsh cakes are looking about done. A bit springy on top. Seem to be cooked all the way through. We can cover them in the sugar and enjoy our tasty campfire treat. So we need to take them off the heat. We need to let them cool a little bit and toss them in the sugar. Okay, these have cooled down now. Able to put them in the sugar down the side and enjoy them while they're just warm enough off the fire to eat. Well, I hope you enjoy our little Welsh themed snack, our Welsh cakes this week. Have a go. Again, cook them on the campfire or on the hob, it doesn't matter. But they're a really, really tasty treat. And I hope you enjoy them. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you again soon.